thanks to Mani Kaka.
Guys, seriously, biryani. ಹಲೋ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಷಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಮಣಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ. ನಾನಂತೂ ಮಟನ್ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Hi guys, very good morning. Today we are going to taste one of the tastiest biryani which I ever heard. That is Mani Biryani in Hoskote. So we are on the way now. So see you in a moment. As we are on the way, I'm driving and now he's sitting next to me. Bingo.
ಸರಿ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಮಣಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. 30 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಗಾಡಿಗಳ ಸಮಯ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸು. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯೂವಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು ತಿನ್ನೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು. ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ರಿವ್ಯೂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
Hi guys, welcome back. Now finally, we picked the food. We're gonna taste this without taking much time. I am so much excited. Literally, guys, I couldn't even eat my dinner, cause and I knew it already that we are gonna have the food early in the morning. Basically, I am the great fan of biryani, but for biryani in Bangalore, I couldn't get the tastiest, the mostly the good food where I can literally just go out of my mind. But because of Rishi, he took me here with all difficulty coming out from the bed. Finally, we got ready. We came here. Now the food is on my hand. Let's taste it. So this is raita. For every biryani you get this kind of raita. I'm keeping it aside. Let's taste the biryani. Guys, don't keep my eyes on me. So, cheers for it. No. Oh wow. Literally yummy, guys. Let me have one more bite. Awesome. Wonderful. So literally my taste buds are saying thanks inside me. I can feel that. When the taste goes inside your mouth, then your brain accepts it. That's what you call it as taste. The taste is very good. The first time I'm tasting it in the biryani in Bangalore. So basically, it's not Bangalore, it's in Hoskote. I'm a biryani lover. I had so many um, biryanis, it's countless biryanis in Hyderabad. But I'm not comparing this with Hyderabad. But when it comes to Bangalore, then this is the best biryani. I have tasted 3, 4 biryanis inside the Bangalore, but that couldn't please me well. But this is literally awesome. Yeah, what can I say? That taste is awesome, and taste is, yeah, fantabulous. And I literally thank the person who took their time to prepare this tastiest biryani. Yeah, I would definitely say that this is the tastiest biryani that I've ever heard, ever tasted, especially in Bangalore. And thanks to Rishi, don't forget to subscribe his channel. Just a simple step, just subscribe and hit likes. Don't forget to share it. Most important is the bell icon. You should always be getting it, cause you would be receiving the nice videos going forward. If possible, and I will also be
Don't worry, you will be the part of everything.
yeah, guys. You will also listen my voice and see my face in coming days.
Okay, thank you so much. I should ask a thing. How is the tenderness of mutton? They are.
Guys, normally what happens in typical mutton biryanis, they will cook it almost 70% or 80%. But especially for me, uh, the mutton should always be, it's a kind of juicy and soft. And it is so juicy and softer, like as if I'm eating, that marshmallow. The marshmallow, it always gives you this less sweeter, and when you chew it, when you bite it, then you feel it literally that you're chewing the soft item inside your mouth. When you are having it also, and you don't feel like having kind of stone, half cooked stone. This is completely cooked. The rice is awesome, and it is not like watery. It is dry, still it is soft. You can see that if you bite it, then you can see it. See, you don't get any the noise when I'm chewing the food. But earlier, the biryanis, what I had in that biryani, the mutton which it was there in the biryani, it was bit harder, and it was not juicy. So when it was not juicy and it's also harder, then you don't feel that aroma and the taste of it. Then your body automatically rejects. But still, as you would want to eat it, then you just go ahead and eat it. But I'm literally pleased to have this this mutton piece, which is well cooked, and it's so soft. You can see it, how soft it is, and it is still hot. Guys, normally, I'm the one, I don't prefer to have a breakfast early in the morning. But now, after having 2 bites of it, and yeah, my mind, my body is literally just pushing me to go ahead and complete this biryani, before it goes right. Thanks to Manikaka and double thanks to Rishi for bringing me to have this biryani. There's one more thing I have to mention. It's been almost 3 years that I've been trying to have this biryani, but somehow due to my yeah work I couldn't make it. But somehow today I really made it because of Rishi. He was behind me literally, to come here and have this biryani. It is so tasty, yeah. Please make yourself time. And if you are a food lover, even if you are not a food lover, yeah, I would definitely recommend you. I'm inviting you actually, so that you can also have the same experience. What which I am experiencing it now. It's so tasty, man. Morning times, I don't know having cucumber with this it will help you, but it will definitely help me in to get digested of this food because it will be very heavy. You can see there is no much masala into it, and as you see the greens in biryani, typically what you see the greens in biryani in Bangalore, but here there are no greens. I can't even find any greens here. Greens means green leaves. It's so simple masala. And I was just having a chat with the guys who had working. I just asked them what would be the time that they open. But on Sundays they said that they'll open around 4 o'clock in the morning. Guys, for Sunday you literally have to drive down here to be in the queue by at least 2 to 2:30. Then only you'll be getting the biryani by 4 o'clock. Otherwise, if we end up by having here, then you will have to wait in the long queue. By the time your appetite might increase or it will decrease. But if your appetite decreases, then yeah, you may not be having it completely. So that's why I always recommend the moment you hit the 1:30 or 2 o'clock, please just drive down. It will be awesome weather. Just like maybe 8 to 10 kilometers, or from the city, it will be like 13 to 14 kilometers away. It is towards Malur from Bangalore. Just come here. Otherwise, you won't be getting the parking slot here. You know how difficulty it is where you don't have the parking slot. Come here early, stand in the queue early. You will get the very nice and hot biryani in the morning. Don't come alone. Come with your family. Grab your friends so that you will enjoy the biryani. Else, yeah. And if you are particular about to have the water from the home, just bring the bottles. Yes. You will get the water here, but it is a Bisleri water and you still have it. But even if you forget also, you still have the water. Make sure that you come early so that you would get the ample parking, so that you don't have to walk almost, if you can just see here outside, I could see half a kilometer uh, from this car forward and behind. My back, there's so many people are just standing outside, they're enjoying the biryani. But for the video sake, we just sat inside the car to at least to have the convenience, so that I can talk without the traffic sounds, so that it will always be disturbing when you are yeah,
already it is
making it
disturbing
reveal.
us.
Yeah, it is disturbing, but we cannot help it. But at least inside the car, we could manage that sound so that you guys, when you're watching it, then the voice will be very clear. If it is not even clear, then yeah, you can just increase the volume so that you will be able to uh, you know, listen to what I'm saying. Guys, I'm literally hungry. I had my late dinner. Instead of having late dinner, normally I always have my food when my day starts. I always start with my day around 11:30 or 12 o'clock. But this is the first time ever I'm tasting the food early in the morning. Cause the biryani is, like I said, too tasty. Guys, don't keep eyes on me. Cause when I'm having the taste biryani, I know that your taste buds are already watery and your mouth is already watery. Guys, you guys must come here early in the morning. It will be awesome. You can see the weather outside. The weather is so beautiful and the biryani is so tasty. And like I said, 3 years of my wait has come to an end. But also, my dream has come true. Cause since last 3 years now, I couldn't find a nice, tasty biryani in Bangalore. I should not say this, but the kind of the taste, it is making me to to say it uh, again and again. Cause it is so fucking tasty, man. Let me have this biryani. Just 5 minutes. Let me finish it, and then we'll come back and we'll have a further talk. Yeah.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗೈಸ್. ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಪೀಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಟನ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಾನು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನನಗದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೈಸ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗವಾಗ, ಮಟನ್ದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆಗಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಗೈಸ್, ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ರೈಸ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನನಗಂತೂ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಿಡಿಸ್ತು. ಮಟನ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಟೆಂಡರ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೊರತು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಮಟನ್ನು ಚಿಕನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗಂತೂ ರೈಸ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೂಪರಾಗಿದೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ವರ್ತು ₹250 ಬಂದು ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಮಾಲೂರು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಣಿ ದಮ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿನ ಅಷ್ಟಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಅಭಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಕೋರಮಂಗ್ಲದಿಂದ. ಹೊಸಕೋಟೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಮಣಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೂಪರಾಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋದು ಏನು ಇದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತೈತೆ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಹೌದಾ ಬ್ರೋ?
ಹಾಂ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಬ್ರೋ?
ಸೂಪರಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
Guys, welcome back. We just finished the delicious Mani's mutton biryani. When I was having it, taste buds, it was awesome, amazing, fantabulous. There are no words, guys, cause it was so tasty. Normally, I always talk and eat. This time, I just shut my mouth. I kept on eating it until I finished it. It was so tasty, and we just had a walk back to the biryani center. The people are still walking in. You can just imagine that. No, the report says that by 6 o'clock they open, by 8 or maximum 9 the biryani will be over completely. Even if you want to come after 9 o'clock, 9:30, guys, you will be completely disappointed. Why means after driving all the way here, then going back with empty hands and empty stomach, then you don't feel happy, right? So you must be coming here early, be there in the queue as early as possible so that you will get the food which is hot. Then you can enjoy the food in the morning. But ultimately, the conclusion is the biryani is so tasty. The aroma was good. The masala was not that high so that your stomach will give you some trouble. Then the masala was so, I say that the masala is apt to the biryani, and the rice is well cooked, and the ultimate is the mutton is so tender, well cooked, and it has absorbed all the masala flavor. When you are chewing it, the mutton, then you will feel the same taste while you are chewing the rice as well. So yeah, I literally enjoyed a lot being a biryani lover. It's been almost 2.5 years for me having this kind of biryani, and I've been trying for the biryani since last 3 years for this biryani particularly. So finally we made it. Yeah, thanks to Rishi, and yeah, finally thanks to the Money Biryani guys. They are the ultimate heroes. They literally kept that effort and made it so tasty, so that the lovers of kind of biryani lovers like me who literally enjoyed it. Guys, if you are up to the party late night Saturday, don't get drunk and drive towards here. Please sleep for some time, then only you start here. Otherwise, drunken drive is always harmful, right? And legally it is not allowed. So thanks for watching this video, and I would expecting a kind of a review like this from you guys. I will be expecting, because I am a regular YouTube watcher, and I'll be watching all the reviews wherever the food lovers, whenever they post any video in YouTube, then I always follow it. That is what I came to know. There is a Mani Biryani in Hoskote near to Bangalore now, which is really good. So that's what I tasted here. Then I would want to sign off from this. We'll definitely meet you in the next video when I try, and when I don't know much food places in Bangalore or in and around Bangalore. But whenever Rishi says that there is a nice food, we'll definitely try there, and we'll give you the review honestly. Guys, honestly I'm saying, please come over here and try it, so that you will definitely enjoy the food. Don't miss this experience. Yeah, good luck.
Okay, I think you love the biryani a lot.
Yes, I literally loved it.
ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮಟನ್ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿನೇ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು. ಮಟನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಅವರು ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಣಿಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ 100 ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗಾದರೂ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಂತೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 250 ರುಪೀಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ವರ್ತು. ನನಗಂತೂ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವ್ರಿಗಂತೂ ಹುಚ್ಚಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Is it?
Yeah, guys, and I just want to mention one more thing. The quantity, for me, I felt it less, but in the morning, yeah, you won't be able to have the biryani more than this quantity. Because when I had it in my hand, I felt that of the guys, this quantity is so less. But after finishing it, then I felt it. Okay, my stomach is completely full. Yeah, I won't be having the food until the late afternoon.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಾಯ್.
So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with